Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Sin2x, that is about 2 sin x cosine x. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 plus 2 sin x. Because we have 2 sin x, that means I will put number 1 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. This one we have 2 cosine x dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0 from here, so I will put number 0 cone here, and we can find the value of u. So u equals to number 1. When x equals to b over 2, so I will put b over 2 cone here, and u equals to number 3. So this one we change by u. 2 sin x we change by u minus 1. Cosine x dx we change by this one. Number 0 we change by number 1. b over 2 we change by number 3. So u divided by u, we have number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have u. The integration of 1 over u, we have ln of the absolute value of u. And I will put the bounds from number 1 to number 3. And now we have the final answer. Ln number 1, you got 0. So this one we have 1 over 2. So this one we have 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2 ln number 3. And now we can simplify 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2. So we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.